Do you know you're all beautiful?
Yes.
Look, she knows she's checking us. This concentration.
We will try our best. They will try their best.
For you,
I'm taken.
For you, I don't comment about you because you're taken. Who else is taken?
No one else. We are all people in touching.
And you also, you are very lucky.
Me?
Yeah, because you have 2 finalists of Miss World Kenya
In the house.
2011. And
Really? Let me stand up. The finalist number 1. No wonder she's a queen. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
For
The other one is there.
For you, no further comment.
I see.
Because you're taken.
The other
And you are runner-up.
Yes.
Were you the queen?
No, but
You are the
also the
runner-up.
finalist. Yeah.
Finalist also.
I think this year you're going to take it.
She should
That
try
was
again.
Kenya.
You try.
Yes.
Kenya.
volleyball.
And then?
Ford model. And idea model. They are all
If I
models.
had not stamped this, I would have given this to a lady to do this marriage because I feel too much tempted. They may start seeing the loss of concentration and the loss of me. And I'm only to human. A man must admire. A man must admire beautiful ladies. Even if he does not ask them, but admiring, we can't help.
True.
Is that not so?
Yes.
True.
And you are the luckiest man in the world. No wonder you're the king of the day. Move this side for the beauty of the cameras and the photos. You have to move the seats because I want to position this so that when they are taking photos,
It will be easier.
they will be best. Sit. I don't want to lose contact with all of you. You must tell me the secret. And I don't think it was a coincidence that you are relatives.
The same feathers flock together.
Oh,
The 2 guys
we
flock
met in
together.
the same college.
Imagine all of us met in
Different circumstances.
exactly. And we became friends.
That's why you're saying birds of the same feathers they
Flock
flock
together.
together. So wherever you are, you just meet.
And you're all blessed with very melodic voices. No wonder he didn't want a man to accompany him.
He decided to come alone.
Okay.
He doesn't want any competition because another man would have just none.
Yes.
Okay, but now, anyway, I must do beauty first, and then elimination later. Ongoma. 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 Wanjero. Wanjero? Which is it?
Wanjiru.
I was being taught just a few minutes ago how to
Wanjiru.
pronounce a few names.
Okay.
And that's Mary Romboy. I said, Mary Romboy? No, this Warboy. Warboy. Okay. Now, we are here for the marriage ceremony, and you are free to take photos, and I think it is best if you take them standing up. You are free to take, no, not you. I'll tell you when you stand up. I'm just making them free. You know, sometimes when people come to this room, probably it is their first time, and with my sometimes very serious case, people get scared. But after a while, we become relaxed and find that it is just one of those ordinary pieces. I think you can tell me scared yesterday.
Yes, I
Then,
can.
after that, you come down and relax and oh, my friends are just over here.
Yes.
No big deal, see you. So when you are coming back today, I could see you very relaxed.
Relaxed. It's true.
Okay, I know it. So you're also free to take photos. The only request I make is please, when you're taking the photos, don't talk. Don't start and then look this direction. Wait. qualified language, and they need to understand it before we proceed. So if you tell them, wait, look here, attention and concentration. Yeah, but I also have a problem, so you may also sit down, because if you stand, I admire you even more.
Don't worry, from here everything is okay.
That will be bad for me. Yeah. So, for now, we need to confirm identities now that they are witnesses. You know, I could recognize you when you came, because you've never been here. Have you? No, you are not. That was your sister. What can prove that you are here?
My ID.
But your ID is not you. It is your ID. Your ID was sent here by your sister. Anyway, what I mean is just to make it in a joking style, to appreciate the role of witnesses. The law says witnesses must be there, so that even if something happens, the witnesses will say that even though marriage certificate got banned, I was there, I saw, I had the register explained to them as follows, and that is what I want to explain. And before I explain that, I need to confirm who you are if you are here for the purpose of marriage. So, for me, my name is Tom Ogwen. Pronounce my name. Tom
Ogwen.
Tom Ogwen. Okay, that's good. And I'm here in my capacity as Registrar of Marriages, not an admirer for now. As Registrar of Marriages. So now let me start with you, my sister. Tell me your full name.
Esther Mabule.
And you tell me you live in Mombasa?
Yes.
Okay. What more about you? You're a sales lady. What do you sell?
I'm a hotelier. So,
What you wrote here, sales lady?
yes, in the hotel.
I see. You
Yes.
sell bed space.
Yes, accommodation.
That is good. Which hotel do you offer?
Malindi, Edinburgh, Side.
Edinburgh.
Yes.
That's good. And now, sir, it is your turn to tell me who you are. Please tell me who you are.
My name is Giuseppe Garfano.
Giuseppe.
Yeah.
Giuseppe. I don't call it Giuseppe.
Now,
So just Giuseppe. Giuseppe. Garfano. Now here, we are more used to Kiswahili pronunciation. Kiswahili, you pronounce it the way it is written. So I ask you to pronounce it, then I follow suit for you. Because some name, Louis. Louis. Depends if it is a Briton or a French. The spelling is the same, but the British will pronounce the S. The French will pronounce spelling. Okay, so you would have put your improvement because I think you're going there at 4. So you use your 2 is okay. So it depends on how you want your name to be pronounced. That is what I'm emphasizing. Now you confirm to me you are from Italy.
Yes,
Not from Italy, you're Italian.
Italian, yeah.
Where do you live?
In Marinella Vicerio.
Oh, so you're in Italy.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. So confirm to us that we are here for the purpose of becoming husband and wife. Say it for the witnesses to hear.
Yes.
Okay. So you're going to become husband and wife if you go through the ceremony here whereby you take each other as husband and wife. And once you are legally married here, your marriage shall not be dissolved in your lifetimes. Except by valid judgment of divorce. In other words, even if he goes to Italy and remains there forever and you remain here dependent, and you don't apply to court for divorce, you're still considered legally married. Such that if you marry someone else during that period before divorce, then that is a criminal offense. Wanjiro, do you hear me?
Yes.
Ongoma, do you hear me? Okay. So now she will be yours and yours forever. Don't marry another one either.
No way. No way.
Good. So, if you marry marry someone else, that is a criminal offense called bigamy, for which the law will punish you by imprisonment for up to 5 years. In Italy, they call it bigamia. Bigamia?
Yeah.
Okay, you know it. So I know you've understood, so you may stand up in readiness for the marriage. If you've got twins, please leave to listen. If you don't, no problem. You have rings?
No.
No. Surprising. So you just face each other. Why did you decide not to have rings?
Because we're intending to get married in Italy, church wedding.
Okay, and that comes to that. I think it is good I ask, because the law says once you marry here, you don't marry again, even in Italy, anywhere else. So please ensure that once you marry here, this is the only marriage certificate you ever sign.
Yeah.
I know there is that process whereby you go to the consul, you lodge your marriage certificate, and then you take it to Italy to process something called registration for the marriage, not marriage. In church, in Italy, what we do is just blessing of the marriage.
Yeah.
You give the pastor the marriage certificate, then you tell the pastor, we got married, the civil marriage ceremony, so bless our marriage. He will not sign another marriage certificate. If he does, first it will be against the law, and it will be rewarded of the marriage, because the date of marriage should start running from when you marry here. It will be a waste in law, a waste in resources, and a waste in reality. Do you know that?
Yes.
She's talking about marrying again in Italy.
No. I know very well. There is another ceremony, but
There are
not official.
ceremonies you can have as many as 7. Next week I'm going to Swahili Beach to do a ceremony whereby we call it renewal of vows. But we got married in England, now we're coming here to renew. And the law does not say here that when you're marrying in civil, you must have a ring. So you are within your rights. That's how uniquely you want to hold hands. I thought for the cameras it would be good if you hold them like this.
Like this.
Look at her directly in the eyes and repeat after me. I call upon all people here present to witness that I, Joseph Galfana,
Yes, and Giuseppe Galfano.
do take you,
Yes.
do take you,
Do take me,
Esther Mukuhi,
Esther Mukui,
to be
to be
my lawful
my local
wife.
wife.
I promise
I promise
to love you
love you
and take care of you all the days
all the days
of my life.
of my life.
Hug her. You don't have a ring.
Yes.
The other side of the face. But they're too slow in taking photos for you.
They're not good cameramen.
No, that's why they're ladies.
One is taking video.
She said, good cameraman. And I think that's why they're ladies. Okay. For the sake of the camera, just change position. Hold the hands again. It is now your turn to hold it. Hold it and look at each other. I call upon
I call upon
all people here present
all people here
to
present
witness
to witness
I,
that I,
Esther Mukuhi,
Esther Makuge,
do take you,
do take you,
Joseph Galfano,
Giuseppe Galfano,
to be
to be
my lawful husband.
my lawful husband.
I promise to love you
I promise to love you,
and to take care of you
to take care of you
all the days
all the days
of my life.
of my life. Yes.
Not yet. Sit down. Good. Back to your seat. Listen, you said, how did you identify this most ravishing beautiful lady.
Exactly.
Did you not have many competitors?
Yeah, I know very well.
And how did you ward off the competition?
You have to be optimistic.
Seriously.
No, that is only for the camera, not that the
Yeah.
ladies require. I want to pause. Pause. They've not taken photos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pause as if
Pause.
you're signing.
Wait.
And look at my.
No.
No?
Yes. Look down where you're signing.
Yeah.
Yes. Smile.
Oh.
Good. See, I like when you're marrying, you smile a lot. So that it becomes.
Yes, thank you.
Check where she's saying. Good. Hilda, do you know you're very beautiful?
Thank you.
I'm asking, do you know?
Yeah.
May your beauty remain forever. You sign here. I'm saying, may your beauty remain forever.
Thank you. Oh, what am I supposed to say?
Yeah, she's also getting confused. Eh? The badness with beauty is that beauty fades. Even my mother, is very beautiful, but nowadays if you see her, she's not. Put it next to you. Put it next to you. Yeah. Queen Kenya.
Let me pause. Let me finish the sign. I want to pause.
And the queen is, you know, you lose concentration. We normally have a freelancer. I don't like the queen of the day
Look at it.
taking photos. It becomes a photo session if you start taking photos here and not a little knowledge. Then you tend to lower the feeling of the legality if you just take photos. And yet, this thing, now that we can sign, it is so tight that nothing can undo what we have. It's only now a judge. If we come back to say, please, here that certificate is not an needed. Even if you make me nominated candidate for election, I will not in exercise of the powers conferred on me as a registrar of marriages, I talk to Governor here of the Lounge, Joseph Galvan, and Esther Mokoli, to be legally married to each other as husband and wife. Mr. Joseph Galvan. Giuseppe Galvan, criminal official. He's your wife. He's your wife, Kabisa now. Kabisa. And I don't know why you're hiding from the camera. If you're hiding from the camera, I'll show them what you do. I'll show you what you do so that the camera can record you. Please station your camera well. If you're head this way. No, kiss and hold. I want the finger. Kiss and hold the kiss. Long kiss. Kiss, long kiss.
Yes.
Long kiss. With the head straight. Your face is looking straight. Yeah, that way. This way. This way. For the camera. That way. Yeah.
Okay.
You want some more fun?
Photo session.
Because now it's a legal marriage, but it is good if you also remember this day that means come take more photos with.
Yeah. Ajisikie moto wetu.
Because you're making life difficult for me.
Don't worry. Everything is difficult. We just have to make it easy.
Wait,
How
what?
do I dare? You know, we men get intimidated by the beauty of ladies. Come, listen. If a lady is too beautiful, You don't even know how to apply. And that is a secret you should know about me. Hold it with your hands. Hands. And let's smile for the camera. You have a hands, huh? Yes. And now, I'm congratulating you.
Yes.
Good. And you, madam?
Yeah.
I want to leave them symbolically joined. My two witnesses come. Who will take?
The video to continue.
The video to continue.
And the photos also.
Oh my god, did you have to know?
I'm so lucky I'm next to the girl.
Yeah.
And you know, when she'll be married, there will be more down for her heart. There will be more
And
to pay
you.
for the house.
After
Do you
this.
know that?
Now we know.
Okay, now we know.
Oh, now you know.
Now we know. I didn't know.
No, they must. You know?
I've been home, but nobody told me that.
About that.
Okay, you go ask her.
They'll
Take
give
that
me-
one also.
Take
Pictures.
Eka chini kidogo, then